My student number 0046 as a head of event.
And my name is Muhammad Muammal with last student number not 004. In this video, I will be as a chairperson.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Abdul Syekh Hasan and my last number is 070. In this video, I ask Mark, Head of Public Relations, focus on marketing and outreach.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Lubis Alif. My last number is 054. And in this video, I am as the treasurer.
My name is Yosi Bilan Saputra, the last number 055. My as head of lobbies. This is focus and feasibility and operational.
Alright everyone, today thank you for coming. As per the agenda, today's main goal is to brainstorm the initial concept for our biggest event of the year is Codifest 2025, and we need to decide on a time, potential keynote speaker, and a rough timeline. And let's start with the theme. Sarah, any initial thought?
I think we should move beyond the standard action. Let's go with them for social good, partnering with NGO to solve real issues will create real impact and great publicity. I love that idea, Tiki. That's a fantastic angel for marketing. Put that cares. The slogans write themselves. It's fresh and appeals to a wider audience beyond just hardcore code.
I had to be one to bring this up, but a term that brought sound expensive. Partnering with NGOs, sourcing specific problem statements that requires a lot more coordination and potentially specific resource that we haven't budget for.
Ben, could you elaborate on that? Are you worried about the cost of specific hardware or the logical cost of coordinating with external parties?
But if a project needs specific sensor or API, the cost can spiral, plus the manpower needed to manage multiple external partners is significant.
I think we should move beyond a standard action. Let's go with the them. AI for social good, partnering with NGO to solve real issue will create real impact and great publish. About the budget, what if we narrow the scope? Focus on three clear challenges. From one or two NGOs, we could even invite them to be minor sponsor.
That's more manageable approach. If we have clearly defined challenge, my team can accept the logisticness more actuality. I can get behind that.
Okay, a focus AI for social good theme. I like it now. I like it. Now, let's talk about the keynote speaker. To match the theme, we need someone inspiring. Mark?
Absolutely. To make this a landmark event, we need to aim high. I think we should try to get Mr. Ati Purnomo, the founder of Nusatech. He is a hook name in the national tech scene, and his company has a strong social responsibility program. His presence alone would guarantee us media coverage.
I'm sorry, but I have to disagree. A speaker of that caliber would command a massive appearance fee, not to mention travel and accommodation that could consume over half our entire event budget. Is not just realistic.
But the return on investment would be good, more than the bigger sponsor.
How about a compromise, Mark? You can reach out to Mr. Purnama's office to inquire about his availability, any potential fees, perhaps for a virtual session, which might be cheaper in parallel. Let's create a list of other respected but more accessible local teach leaders as backup.
So, just to be clear, we are not committing to any yet. I simply getting information on the dream speaker. Will also preparing a list more practical option.
Exactly, that's the plan. It gives us a goal without putting all our eggs in one basket. Now, what about the event components? Just a hackathon? Just a just a hackathon?
I suggest we start with workshop on day one. Topic like ethical AI or intro to machine learning for social impact.
Disagree. Others their venue, rental cost, and structures of volunteer team incredible team. We struggle with volunteer last year with just to the event maybe.
Workshop at real venue that attracts children not ready for a full hackathon and make the even more inclusive.
What if the workshop aren't free? We could charge a small fee, say $5 or 75,000 in rupiahs, especially for the workshop stream. It would cover the extra venue costs and maybe even pay for the workshop instructor.
I'm not sure about that. But then charging a fee, even a small one, creates a barrier. It goes against our social good mission.
I can work with that original idea from Gusti. So we can market it as a premium add-on to the main event. It frames it as an opportunity, not just a cost. It's a two balance art. Tayo tigi, but Gusti has a point on the two, on the budget.
Okay, a third axis model. I like the sound of it, Yoshi. Does that addresses your concern?
Uh, it have it have with the cost but not the manpower.
So, Yoshi, your main issues now is finding enough skilled volunteers to manage the workshops and the hackathon simultaneously.
Basically, it is a big operational the challenge.
What if we recruit students as facilitators, over them a certificate and a short out the gun teaching experience, we get skill support without stretching our team.
Let me get this straight. You are suggesting we create a separate recruitment drive aimed specifically at postgraduate students to act as facilitators, not just general volunteers for ticketing or logistics.
Actually, they run the workshop.
That's cool. That's a good solution. Okay, I am about with the workshop idea. under the in the condition.
Perfect. So we have a time, a perfect strategy, and a format. Last thing for today, the day usually we do this in October.
I'm afraid that won't work this year. I just checked the university calendar and the Faculty of Engineering is holding their big international conference in the last week of October. We will be competing directly for attention and resource.
He's right. All the faculty official and promotional space will be booked.
In November, that might actually help. First year will be more sale, which could boost participation.
Mid-November, are we talking the second of third week? We need to avoid clashing with the pre-exam study weeks.
The second week is completely free. The third week has a nationally holiday that might affect travel.
Okay, everyone, let's tentatively schedule for the Fest 2025 for the second week of November. This gives us more planning time and avoids the faculty conference. Can we all agree on that as a working day?
Yes, agree.
Fantastic. We've made excellent progress today. We have a clear, inspiring direction. This has the potential to be our best podcast ever if we execute it well. Your action items are Yossi and Al flesh out of their social good challenge. Abdau investigate the keynote speaker and Gusti draft a preliminary budget based on this new model, and Yossi start outlining the volunteer recruitment plan. Let's meet again next week with the same time. Okay, nice to meet you all. Let's be next week.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.